So he clicks it on. I'm watching it. And then, you know, I'm like, all right, then you're
doing the rally, yeah.
Come on, man. And he's fast forward and he goes, right here. He goes, okay, it's either, I think it was what, California? No, somebody or Connecticut. And I'm like, and then he goes, you go, Stanley the model. And I'm like, no, dude, this is fake.
Yeah.
I'm like, no. And he goes, no, dude, I won the bike. He's all freaking out. I'm like, really?
Hey,
like, yeah, right. You guys made this up.
Yeah, no, it's funny you say that. A bunch of people think it's fake too. I don't get it. People think it's fake, but it's like
on both bikes.
Yeah, for sure. It's like nothing I can possibly do, bro. It's like
it's all of us guys at work. We play pranks on each other.
Right.
I was assuming this was a prank that he did. You know?
Okay,
I was like, dude, you're full of shit, man. You made this up. He's like, no, listen, you can hear my voice on the phone.
Yeah.
And I'm like, then when he mentioned the 2 bikes, I'm like, that is you.
Hey, I'm dying. That's funny, dog. Hey,
And my other coworker that rides with us was working with me that night.
Yeah.
And when I said, oh, I'm at work right now, I'm about to go home, he looked at me real quick.
He like, you must have won.
Home?
Yeah, He's like, nah, hell, I need some help.
Home?
He has the same bike.
Oh, nice.
But,
yeah, he's got a chopper, a street glide, and a night train.
Oh, dang.
Crazy paint job on that.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. That bike is crazy.
So choppers is pretty big out here then.
Yeah, it's just style, whoever likes it.
Right.
I mean, when I ride it, a lot of people are like, oh, cool.
Right,
cool.
yeah.
I don't see many around.
Right, yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, you don't see many in LA. It's more so like Harleys. So when you see these, they're pretty like decked out and everything. This one's a nice bike.
I mean, when I ride it, everybody's like, oh, that's cool.
Yeah, no, it's a nice bike for sure. I like it. The flames are nice.
Yeah.
I guess that's why she liked the red one, huh? them red flame, blue flame, man. He said he put in another ticket, so he might have them things side by side, man. Y'all see what's going on?
At 119, you just won. I stood up and I was.
Oh, that was your number, 119?
Yeah, I was walking back and forth like, yo. And my coworker was like, you won? I was like, holy shit. And then you said Connecticut, the model state. I said, oh, I slapped the table so hard. And my hand was hurting the rest of the night.
He said it was hurting the rest of the night, man. Y'all see my dog was excited.
I was waiting for you to call me. I was
like, man, I'm waiting for the phone call. If it's real, man, it's gonna be real. I'm done.
Awesome, man.
Nah, that's dope, man. I'm happy you excited, man. I'm glad you won that joint, man. That thing should be pulling up any second, dog. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see the big truck with the trailer pulling up. Yes, sir. Bring it on back down, big dog. Is you ready for this or what, man? It's finally here. I know we've been waiting. I told bro I was going to come yesterday. He was kind of upset. He was like, bro, you told me you was going to come yesterday, man. Nah, man, I'm just playing with y'all. I'm just playing, man. We here lock and loaded, man. We got the trailer. About to offload this thing and see what it's looking like. Get that first start, first ride, man. Oh, yeah. I can't wait, man. Taking up the whole block.
Gotta put these down because it's about to get on.
He said I got to put my shades on, dog.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. Right here, the man with the plan. Yo. Fuck is that, man? Man, cooling. Welcome to Connecticut. Y'all see where we at?
Oh, really? Where? Waterbury. Nice.
Oh, so is that far from here or what?
Nah, it's not that far.
Nah?
Like 20 minutes. Yeah, 20, 30 minutes.
Oh, damn. So you at home, man.
Yeah, pretty close.
Pretty close, shit. That's crazy. Everywhere, dog. Snaps. Let's see it. Uh-oh. Ready for that joint or what, man?
Yes, man.
All right, man, I gotta check it out.
Oh,
yeah, don't hesitate, man. Don't hesitate.
Nice.
I can't wait to see what it's looking like under these Connecticut skies, man.
Still can't believe it, though. I seen it on the video all this time. Now it's
right. Hey, it's real life, man.
Yeah.
Real life in the flesh, dog. We about to pull this thing out. We about to get it going, man. I can't wait. See what a little support can get you, man?
Yeah, man.
Man, if y'all haven't...
That's all y'all need.
Hey, one ticket, man. If y'all haven't... Everythingsregular.com.
We got 2 bikes right now.
Hey, go get them. Hey, man, we need to hire him, man. Yeah, no, for sure. Y'all see what's going on, man. My dog that won that 2018 Road King customized color wheels. Everything looked good, man. Run good. All he did was headed over to everythingsregular.com, copped him an entry. I think right now we got a wallet for our 2021 Road Glide Special and our CVO. We're giving them both away, first and second place, man. So if you guys haven't entered to win, head over there right now and you could be next. We could be pulling up at Chodo. Y'all see my guy got his buddy over here with his bike and everything. He said, man, I done already got my ticket for the next one, man. He said, I'm gonna be pulling up to his house next, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right up.
Y'all see what's going on, man. Yes, sir. Live in the flesh. 2018 Harley Davidson Road King. Live in the flesh here in Connecticut, dog. Here in Connecticut. Y'all see what's going on, man.
Yeah, whatever, yeah.
Yes, sir. How you like it, man?
Nice, man. Yeah, it is close, man.
Yeah, that color is close as heck, right?
Wow.
Yeah, that thing look good out here, man. That thing definitely look good for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all see what's going on, man. That thing look good, man. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. See, it look better when it's somebody else bike. It look even better, dog. I ain't gonna even hold you. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
See, it is close in color, right? Yeah.
Those wheels are awesome.
Oh, man. You ready for this or what, man?
Wheels, dude. I'm your guy.
Nah,
he said,
with that, man.
he said, you want to get rid of the wheels, man? I can get you right.
This is a everything's regular special.
Hey, man, y'all.
Gotta stay the way it
Hey,
is.
man, y'all see what's going on, man? Man, go ahead and hop on that thing, man. Don't hesitate, man. I know you want to look at it, man, but I know you want to sit on it, dog. Yes, sir. He look good on it, man. Them red shoes and stuff is matching, dog. You chose the perfect fit today.
Nice.
Perfect fit today, for sure. Yep, there you go, man. Yes, sir. My dog about to take that thing on a first spin. We're gonna see how he do.
You ready?
I'm ready, man. I'm ready. Yes, sir. I'll see it here first. That thing looks nice. All right, man, so while my dog Stan is taking that first ride, man, I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in, man. If you guys haven't entered our giveaway, man, we have a little bit less than 90 wallets available, man. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, copy you a red and black Everything's Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are giving away our 2021 Road Glide Special and our CVO. First place will get the Road Glide. Second place will get the CVO, man. If you guys haven't entered, man, you guys know where to go. You guys know what to do. I could be at your door next, pulling up to your state, man. So don't hesitate. Meanwhile, my dog about to pull up, and we about to see what that thing is sounding like, looking like, riding like, man.
Woohoo! Almost missed the turn.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man.
Oh, this is a lot heavier to back up, man.
Oh, yeah. You got to use your legs with that, man.
Oh, damn.
Here, I got you.
Go down this hill.
Yeah, use them. Got to use them legs, man. They're going to be strong in a minute. That's funny, man.
Oh, yeah. Nice. I trust that kickstand. So I was going down, I went down the main street, I almost missed a turn. I was really sliding. Man.
Oh, damn.
Went,
Yeah, oh, snaps. Oh, dang. Well, maybe we can get it on camera.
yeah.
You see what's up.
I said, damn, I almost missed a turn.
Hey, that's funny. How you like the ride though, man?
Oh, man, that's sweet, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
He like, man, I'm ready for this, man. How do it feel compared to the? Cause he got y'all don't know, man. He got the chopper and the V ride, man. There's two totally different bikes.
Yeah, this is a lot more comfortable, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm glad you like it, man.
Yeah, sweet, man. Thanks.
Do it feel cool with like the backrest or what?
No, yeah.
Like, do you need to adjust it or you think it's good?
It feels good
Yeah?
the way it is, man.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, awesome.
Man, well, y'all see it here first, man. My dog out here. We in Connecticut on the other side of the coast. Literally the other side, man.
Yes, sir.
He got it here live in the flesh, man. I can't wait. So do you see anything on there that you might want to add? Do you throw your own little taste on there, man? I know you want to do something.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I'm probably going to change that derby cover. What else was I looking at?
Oh, yeah, he said he got to change the
Yeah, I gotta-
114, man.
I got to add an amp to get the speakers going.
Oh, yeah.
Not much, man. I like just the way it is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm glad you like it, man.
No, it's definitely
So
nice.
was it worth the ticket, man? Was it worth it?
Oh, yeah. At first, I was like, $150 for a hat? And I was like, it's
Yeah.
not about the hat, it's about this.
Right.
I'm not even going to wear the hat, actually. I was going to give it to my father-in-law
Hey.
because he loves that color.
Oh,
I bought
okay,
that
nice.
olive one,
Yeah.
so I'm going to give it to him when I get it. Actually.
Okay, for sure
I
then,
want
man.
that red wallet now. It's going to match the bike.
Hey, man. He said it's going to match the bike, man. Y'all see what's going on. My mans ain't playing, man.
Man.
I love this thing, man. This is like my favorite riding bike. Like, I know I've said that.
Right, yo, see how it's different?
Yeah, man.
It's different than yours.
Yeah, let's see it, dog. That's who I want to see. Let's see.
Don't slide like I did, man.
Let's see.
You want glasses? Oh, you got.
I got my.
Let's go. He about to go up. It's
Come on, man. I figured it out.
You just press that one.
That's different than mine.
He said it's different than mine. Okay, let's see it. Let's see it. His buddy sliding off. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, he liked that.
Yeah. That's nice.
That's dope, man. I'm glad you got your bike, man. It's here live in the flesh, man. You ain't gotta wait no more, man.
Come on, man. I figured it out.
You just press that one.
All right, that's different than mine.
Oh my God.
All right, I'll be back. yeah.
And so the colors is pretty similar, huh? Yeah.
It is. It's almost like right
Yeah,
there.
for sure.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, you about to have your homie, man. He about to be like, man, I'm gonna have to go.
Nicer, though. He knows it too. He knows it.
No, it's all good. It's all motivation, man. If you can motivate him to go harder or whatever he want to do, change up some stuff. I know when I wasn't like into stuff like that, man, and somebody came up with like something like crazy or like say a car, for instance, and they shit was tricked out, I'll be like, okay, bet I gotta, now I gotta get it. Yeah. I know he's gonna be the same way, man, because he just might win that other one, man. I got faith. He just might win the other one. He told you you were gonna win that one, right?
Because it was red.
Right.
Gonna win it just because it's red.
See?
Say,
hey, man.
My wife don't like it.
And these other two bikes is red, so he might win one of them, man. We're gonna hope for the best. Maybe we get to come back to Connecticut or something, dog.
Cool. Oh, yeah. Look at that smile.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. That's funny. Oh yeah, so he got the Road King already, man. He used to this. Man, you got that, man.
Work smarter, not harder.
Right, man.
I got you.
You got that, man. Man, that thing look good out here, dog. That thing look good out here. I like it. How you like the ride?
It's a ride, man.
Yeah, you like it?
I like it. I like these handlebars.
Yeah.
Dude, that's a sweet ride. I like the backrest. I'm not used to that. It's
Oh.
different.
Oh wow, yeah.
That's nice.
So it feels like you can fucking just ride the bike,
Yeah,
huh?
I might have to get me one.
Yeah.
See that? Like you just said.
Hey man,
Motivate.
hey, I told you what. Hey, you can't get no better than that. We literally just said that, man. That's funny as heck.
That's a nice bike.
Man, that's dope. I'm glad you like it, man. That's sick.
Congrats, brother.
Thank you.
Well, y'all see it here first, man. My guy done got the bike all the way out here in Connecticut, man. Is there anything you want to tell these people, man, before we slide out, dog?
Oh, like, comment, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Everything's
Your
regular.
chance to win could be next.
Yes, sir, man. Y'all see it here first, man. 2018 Road King all the way in Connecticut, man, from the West Coast, man. So, oh yeah, because your bars are a little bit smaller, so that's a big difference for you, huh?
Yep.
Does it feel more comfortable, or does it feel like just as good as yours?
It feels more comfortable, and I didn't think it would.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So you about to change your bars again, man?
I don't know.
He said, I don't know.
18 inch?
Yeah, 18. 18, yeah.
That was not easy to
Actually,
pull up.
those might even be 16. I'm not sure. I have to look on my eBay to see exactly which.
I think you did say.
Yeah, I think they're 16 for sure.
That is not easy to pull those wires through those bars.
Oh, yeah.
So it's up to you, man. You want to go for a quick ride or what?